Hi, I'm Maxxie. Welcome to a new episode of Fitness Kitchen. Today's episode is the one I promised in the last couple of videos. I'm gonna show you how I make these meal prep packs, which I use to make a hot and fresh fitness meal real quick. And like I promised, this episode is about some iconic Chinese flavors. I have prepared 5 combos. Each can represent the cuisine of a different region of China. If you have no idea what I'm talking about, there is this video I made earlier about how to make a hot, saucy fitness meal under 5 minutes without using oil, using the pre-prepared meal packs I'm gonna show today. Now let's get started. Okay, the first flavor I'm gonna make is called Gongbao jiding, or you may heard of its Cantonese version as Kung Pao chicken. It's one of the most famous dishes in the Sichuan province. Savory, spicy, sweet, numbing all in one place is really magical. By the way, if you live in the UK like me, you may have already seen this in supermarkets. It promises you the flavor of Kung Pao chicken, but this tastes nothing like a Gongbao jiding. It doesn't taste like anything to me. I don't know why they made this. So now, let me show you what real Gongbao tastes like. For all the recipes I'm showing today, I'm using chicken thighs, without the skin. I have sliced them into strips. This would be a lot easier if you live in China because we sell pre-sliced strips in supermarkets, but they don't do that here in the UK, so I took some time to do this myself. And then, the tool we need is this. Small size sealable food bag. This is the best size for this meal prep. Put this bag in a deep glass or cup, and then the whole process will be clean and organized. In every pack, I'm putting in 250 grams of chicken. That's usually the amount I eat in one meal. And all the other ingredients I'm using today are calculated according to this amount. So if you are using more chicken, you may need to make some adjustments. Otherwise, the flavor won't be enough. Okay, let's build this flavor. Light soy sauce, 1 tablespoon. Dark soy sauce, 1 tablespoon. I guess many people are still confused about light soy sauce and dark soy sauce. I'll explain the difference between them at the end of this video. Here we continue with the other ingredients. After the soy sauces, cooking wine, 3 tablespoons. Be sure to buy some Chinese cooking wines, otherwise the flavor would be totally wrong. Our cooking wine is called liaojiu. And then add pure water, 1/3 cup. And then xiangcu, which is our black vinegar, 1 teaspoon. Well, if you can't find xiangcu, I find balsamic vinegar a great substitute. The flavor would be a little bit different, but just a little bit. It will still work. Okay, those are all the wet ingredients. Now, the dry ingredients. Congjiangsuan Powder, 1 teaspoon. This is a mixture of chives, ginger, and garlic, a classic of Chinese cooking. If you can't get this mixture, you can just buy dry chives, dry ginger, and dry garlics on Amazon and then mix them yourself. The ratio is 3:1:2. Okay, then chili flakes, half a teaspoon. If you use chili powder, only use half the amount. Then Sichuan Peppercorn, or as the Americans say, Szechuan Peppercorn, which we call huajiao, half a teaspoon. And again, if powder, half the amount. Then black pepper, 1/4 teaspoon. And then half a gram of equal sweetener. It's a no-calorie, non-sugar sweetener, but somehow I didn't film it in this scene. And finally, chicken extract, half a teaspoon. I know it sounds weird to use chicken extract to marinate chicken, but because the umami in chicken comes from the fat under the skin, and we are not using any skin, so we use chicken extract to add in that umami. Modern technology is great. Okay, that's all the ingredients for this flavor. If you can't remember the numbers, don't worry, I'll list the whole recipe down below in the description. Now let's seal the bag and give it a massage. Then, this meal prep pack is done. It's very easy to store in your fridge. You can prepare a lot of them in advance and store them in your freezer. If you want to use 1 or 2 the next day, take them out and they'll melt overnight. And now you can use them to make that steam pot fitness meal real quick as I showed in the earlier video. 5 minutes and you have a hot, saucy, high-protein fitness meal without any oil. This flavor goes extremely well with spring onions or green onions. So if you want to try it, these are the veggies you want to try. Okay, the second flavor is called Hongshao. This is a flavor profile you can find all over China. It literally means stewed in red. a perfect combination of soy sauce and caramelization. Usually we use it to cook pork, but can also be used to cook beef and chicken. Light soy sauce, 1 tablespoon. Dark soy sauce, 1 tablespoon. Chinese cooking wine, 1 tablespoon. Pure water, 1/3 cup. Congjiangsuan Powder, 1 teaspoon. 五香粉, which you may know as Chinese 5 spice, half a teaspoon. This is another classic of Chinese cooking. Its flavor is really unique. Actually, it's a mixture of more than 5 spices. You can buy this on Amazon. Okay, after that, chicken extract, half a teaspoon. And this flavor is done. Okay, the third flavor is called Dapan. Literally means chicken in a huge plate, but of course we can make them in small portions. It's a spicy dish with a strong note of cumin. It's originally a famous dish in the Xinjiang province, but now it's popular all over China. Light soy sauce, 1 tablespoon. Dark soy sauce, 1 tablespoon. And pure water, 1/3 cup. This one doesn't need cooking wine. On the other hand, it uses a lot of dry spices. Congjiangsuan Powder, 1 teaspoon. Chicken extract, half a teaspoon. 五香粉 aka Chinese 5 spice, half a teaspoon. Cumin, 1 teaspoon. Chilli Flakes, half a teaspoon. If powder, half the amount. Then Huajiao aka Sichuan Peppercorn, half a teaspoon. If powder, half the amount. Black pepper, 1/4 teaspoon. And that's all the ingredients for this one. Okay, the fourth dish of today is called Sanbei, 3 cups chicken. It's a mild and fragrant dish in the southeastern coast and also common in Taiwan. This one uses a lot of basil, so if you love basil, this one is for you. Light soy sauce, 1 tablespoon. Dark soy sauce, 1 tablespoon. And rice wine, 1 tablespoon. Be careful, this is rice wine, not Chinese cooking wine. They are different. This one we call mijiu. It gives this dish a unique fragrance, but I find it very hard to buy mijiu outside China. So here I'm substituted with Japanese sake. Again, it's a little bit different, but just a little bit, it still works. Okay, after the wine, pure water, 1/3 cup. Congjiangsuan Powder, 1 teaspoon. Chicken extract, half a teaspoon. And finally, fresh basil, 15 grams. We only need the leaves inside. And that's all the ingredients for this one. Okay, the final flavor of today is called Congyou. It's actually not the name of a dish. It's a minimalist cooking style we use when we want to amplify the original flavor of something. It literally means just chive and oil, but of course I'm not using oil here. This one works extremely well with chicken because, chicken is delicious by nature. Chinese cooking wine, 1 tablespoon. Pure water, 1/3 cup. Fine salt, half a teaspoon. Equal sweetener, 1/4 teaspoon. Congjiangsuan Powder, 1 teaspoon. Chicken extract, 1 teaspoon. And that's all you need for this one. It's really a minimalist dish. I guess a lot of people are still confused about the difference between light soy sauce and dark soy sauce. These two are not just different in the colors. Light soy sauce is more watery and you taste more of those soy sauce umami in it. We call it in Mandarin something like fresh extract, 生抽. This one is what we use for flavors. It's like those soy sauce you would have in Japan when you eat sushi. While dark soy sauce is called something like aged extract. It's thick, dark, much saltier, and less in the soy sauce umami. We use it for coloring. And usually when you see Chinese cooking, these two are used together, combined. Okay, and that's all of today's recipes. So much for this episode. All the ingredients statistics are listed down below in the description. If you like this video or find it useful, please don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to my channel. And you can also follow me on Instagram, where I share my fitness progress and other things in my daily life. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you in the next episode. And happy cooking! Take care!